Imagine walking into a room filled with the smell of freshly baked cakes, warm, sweet, and utterly irresistible. Now, picture that happening on a massive scale, where thousands of cakes roll out of ovens every hour like an endless dessert dream. But have you ever wondered how factories manage to bake, frost, and package millions of cakes so perfectly, without a single baker in sight? Today, we're stepping inside one of the world's largest cake factories to uncover the mouth-watering magic behind mass cake production. So, grab a slice, or the whole cake, we won't judge, and let's get baking. Before we step into the factory, let's take a bite of history. Cakes have been around for thousands of years, but they weren't always the fluffy, frosted delights we love today. Back in ancient Egypt, cakes were more like sweet bread, flavored with honey and nuts. Then the Romans came along and added eggs and butter, making them richer. But the real game changer, the discovery of baking powder in the 1800s, which made cakes rise like never before. Fast forward to today, and we have factories churning out cakes by the millions, using high-tech machines instead of Grandma's secret recipe. But how do they do it without losing that homemade touch? Let's find out. Step 1. The secret cake batter formula. Every great cake starts with a perfectly balanced batter. But here's a fun fact. In large-scale cake factories, the batter isn't mixed in a simple bowl. Nope. These places use gigantic stainless steel mixers that can hold hundreds of liters of ingredients at once. Flour, the foundation of the cake, giving it structure. Sugar, because what's cake without sweetness? Eggs, the glue that holds everything together. Butter and oil, for that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Milk and water, to keep things smooth and moist. Baking powder and vanilla, the magic ingredients for fluffiness and flavor. The batter is mixed at lightning speed in massive industrial blenders, ensuring each drop has the perfect texture. These machines can mix in minutes, something that would take a home baker hours to get right. And the best part? Some factories customize their batters to make everything from chocolate lava cakes to fruit-filled pound cakes, all in the same facility. Step 2. Pouring and shaping. From batter to cake mold. Once the batter is perfectly mixed, it's time to fill the molds. But don't imagine bakers standing there with ladles, carefully pouring batter into pans. Instead, automated machines do the job with insane precision. A high-speed conveyor belt moves thousands of cake molds through a batter dispenser, which fills them up with just the right amount of mixture. Too much batter? The cake overflows. Too little? A sad, flat cake. The machines measure everything down to the gram, ensuring consistency. And what if they're making a multi-layered cake? No problem. These factories have machines that pour multiple layers, adding flavors like chocolate, strawberry, or caramel, swirls in seconds. Step 3. Baking. The 100-foot-long ovens. Now, this is where the real magic happens. The filled cake molds travel into giant tunnel ovens. And when we say giant, we mean it. Some of these ovens are over 100 feet long and can bake thousands of cakes at once. Temperature: around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Just like a home oven, but on steroids. Baking time: 10 to 30 minutes, depending on the cake size. Heat distribution: perfectly controlled, so every cake is evenly golden brown. But here's something cool. These high-tech ovens don't just bake the cakes. They also have infrared sensors that check if each cake is rising properly. If a cake isn't puffing up like it should, the system automatically adjusts the heat. So there's no such thing as an undercooked or overcooked batch. And if you're wondering, what happens to cakes that don't make the cut? They get repurposed. Some factories grind rejected cakes into crumbs and use them for cake pops or ice cream toppings. Nothing goes to waste. Step 4. Cooling and the flip trick. Once the cakes emerge from their oven journey, they're still piping hot. But nobody wants a melted mess when frosting is applied. right? So, factories use high-speed cooling tunnels, which bring the cakes to the perfect frosting temperature in minutes. Some cakes even take a gravity-defying ride, where machines flip them upside down to remove them from molds, without breaking them. It's like watching an acrobatic performance. But with cake. Step 5. The frosting extravaganza. All right, time for everyone's favorite part. The frosting. Gone are the days of hand-spreading buttercream. Here, robots do the decorating. These frosting machines are so precise they can evenly coat cakes with icing at lightning speed. Pipe perfect swirls, drizzles, or even elaborate floral patterns. Apply sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or fruit toppings without a single mistake. And if you think these machines are just for decoration, get this. Some factories custom print designs onto cakes using edible ink. Yes, you heard that right. Cakes with printed photos, text, or even your favorite cartoon characters. Step 6. Packaging. Sealing the freshness. Once the cakes are decorated, it's time for packaging. To keep them fresh and delicious, each cake is wrapped in airtight plastic to lock in moisture, placed into protective boxes to prevent damage, labeled with dates and barcodes for tracking. Fun fact: some cakes are even vacuum sealed, meaning they stay fresh for weeks. So no more sad, stale birthday cakes. And just like that, they're ready to hit supermarkets, bakeries, and coffee shops around the world. Step 7. Quality control. The cake taste test. Before cakes leave the factory, there's one last step: the taste test. Quality control experts randomly select cakes, checking for texture. Is it soft and fluffy? Flavor. Does it taste as good as it looks? Appearance. Any lopsided or messy cakes? And yes, someone actually gets paid to taste cakes all day. If you're looking for a dream job, this might be it. The sweet success of cake factories. And that, my friends, is how factories produce millions of cakes, flawlessly and deliciously, without a single human baker in sight. From giant mixers to futuristic frosting robots, every step is a blend of technology, precision, and a little bit of magic. So, next time you take a bite of that store-bought cake, just remember, it took an army of machines and a whole lot of science to make it happen. Want to know how chocolate is mass-produced? Click the video on your screen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory secrets. Thanks for watching.